What's up, you guys? I am here with OrganiGrow HairCo. It is Monie D. I am currently have the Growtein free deep moisture conditioner in. I'm just letting this marinate before I do this wash and go. It is winter season, so I'm a little nervous about the moisture in my hair locking in, but the process I'm about to do, OrganiGrow HairCo, is about to hook it up. I'm going to start out with the vegan texture butter. For my type of hair, I have type 4 hair, so my hair loves the butters, the heavier oils, so this is going to be great for sealing in that moisture. And then I'm going to go in with the conditioning curling custard for low porosity to medium porosity hair. This one's going to have the marshmallow root in it, which is going to help define my curls and also lock in moisture as well. And then I'm going to go in with the Glaze edge control. This has flaxseed in it, and I absolutely love flaxseed on my hair. It has done wonders, so I'm just gonna lay these edges down and get this wash and go going, and I'll be back. I am finger detangling. I have the conditioner in at the moment. I'm just trying to separate all the shedded hair because it's been about a week and a half since I've done so. And it's best to do so when my hair is wet and has conditioner in it. That way it has some slip. So I kind of just work my thumbs through, and I'll kind of use my fingers as brushes, combs, whatever tools I need at the moment. And currently I am using the pure alkaline spring water to help keep my hair moisturized. When you're doing a wash and go, it's so important to have your hair moisturized. That's what's going to keep the definition and keep the moisture of your hair. So at this point, my hair should be soaking wet, but clearly my hair is quite dehydrated and I need to add more water. So just throughout this detangling process, I'll just keep spraying as I go and keep working the product in so I can get all the shed hair out, and we will have a pop-in wash and go. Alright, now I'm just rinsing out the conditioner. My hair is fully detangled on this side. And you can see the definition. My hair just feels so soft and detangled. It feels great. Wow, my fingers are just slipping right through. For someone with type 4 hair, when this happens, it's so exciting because we already have super thick, kinky hair. So when your hair is like this, and it's easy to run your fingers through, your hair just is moisturized, detangled, and just healthy. There shouldn't be anything really snapping off. I don't have much of shed hair at the moment, but it's a process detangling it. Section my hair and start making sure put this to the side. So I'm starting off with a smaller section, really small, because I want to make sure that my hair is super defined and I make sure all the shed hair is out. For me, I really have to go in smaller sections just because of my hair type. I think once I start training my hair again to retain moisture, I won't have to do that as much. I don't have to have so much water in it because my hair will naturally just start holding water and holding moisture. And I'm going to first go in with the vegan texture butter. It's definitely a butter. It's nice and whipped. Rub it in first, and then I will just start to work this in. I'll add water when needed. It just feels so soft already and bouncy. That's how I like my wash and goes. And then I'm going in next with the curling custard. extension. I don't mind the bounciness, to be honest. I like the fluffiness. Sometimes I'll like a little bit more definition, just depending. So I'm really gonna work this in. Add a little bit more water. And with the Glaze Edge Control, I'm going to apply this to my edges, just lay them down with a toothbrush, and yeah, let's go. So this has flaxseed in it, which is great. It's gonna help with the structure of your hair. It's gonna help with holding the moisture in. It's also gonna help with growth as well. And I'm excited about, as we all should be when it comes to our edges. We all put so much tension on our edges and we don't even realize it. So I like to personally brush mine down and up, and then I will brush this part back. So you really just need a little bit. A little goes a long way. Again, it is a great product to have on your edges, but still, you know, you want products on your hair that's gonna actually absorb. So if things are just sitting on there, then that's when you need to consider changing your hair products, because our hair, you know, is absorbing, so just like our bodies are. So what we put on our hair, our skin, our nails, all of it, it really does matter. That's why I like to go for more of the natural kind of gels when I do wash and goes. So just brushing this down, applying to the other side. My hair is still soaked, which is great because it is so dry out here and my hair needs as much moisture in it as possible. I honestly don't mind that my wash and goes don't dry, you know, for the next 2-3 days. So this is going to be perfect for just allowing my hair to do its own thing naturally and, you know, not have to force anything. So yeah, really just brushing these down. I'm not really into like the whole slick look, but it works for just at least keeping my edges protected and moisturized and sealed in. So yeah. Thanks, guys.